Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing slime pet peeve, so let's get a thumbnail. Okay, that's all. So now, let's get started. The first one is poking with one finger. Poking too fast.
I wanted to see what was going on. You.
Poking too slow. The perfect one. One that mutes the video.